1991 GMC Syclone here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle 13,395. California vehicle its entire life, one of approximately 2,995 that were produced. Of course, that turbo 4.3 liter underneath the hood. Automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, as you get a good look at the blacked out grille as well as front bumper. Of course, only color the Syclone was produced in was black. Now, as far as the paint on the hood, you can see that there is some pimpling kind of going on. There's a nice shine to it, but some pimpling on the hood. Another thing I want to note real quick, so there have been some power adders done to this. As far as underneath the hood, some modifications, very tastefully done. I'm not going to be able to hit on every one of those in this video, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put it in the description on our website that we have of all the vehicles. So down below the vehicles there's a description that will tell you all about the power adders. Where can you see that? UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website. Our website's going to have that description and everything about this truck. Again, UniqueClassicCars.com. Or any questions, call a sales associate, 507-386-1726. Brand new rubber, riding on the 16-inch aluminum wheels. Of course, the aerodynamics, kind of the cladding down below, would have been added on these Syclones. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches. It is black. You're going to have maybe a little imperfection here or there, but overall, paint has a nice shine to it. This truck will turn some heads, and you just don't see them every day. That custom Syclone embroidered seat, red piping, of course, buckets, center console. We'll get into some of the switches and some of the things in the truck when we get around to the driver's side. Start it up, let you hear it run. It does have a battery relocated to underneath the bed, and there is a battery shut off right there. Push to shut off is what the little tag says. Once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Black roll pan on the rear of this. The bed, extremely nice shape. You got to remember, this truck only has 13,395 miles on the odometer at the moment. If you like these vehicles, let's say whether it's a GMC, a Ford, no matter what, if you like them and they don't make a ton of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel, because you never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And again, you can see no major nicks, dings, or scratches over here on the driver's side. How about interior? Of course, your modern amenities, power locks, power windows. Now, some of the adders, or some of the additions, some will be power adders, some are just additions. We do have some VDO gauges, as you can see here. It's a little different turbo on it. You're going to see that in the description. Underneath the dash, right down here, is going to be a electronic fuel pump switch. So before we start it, we're going to want to click that on. Alright, you can see it has an alky system, which is going to be what, water methanol injection. Right here is your torque converter lockup for the transmission. This right here, electric fans, AM FM cassette player. I have had the radio working. We do have a little crackle out of one of the speakers I did notice.
Now, save big money.
But radio is working, like I said. You get a little crackle out of a speaker. Also, some controls in here. Kenny Bell booster pump. And again, look through the description. We'll have it all noted in there. Top of the dash, looking good. And this appears to be like an air-fuel ratio readout. Looks like a true boost gauge right there. And once again, any questions, consult with a sales associate. Headliner looks good. Miles, forgot to point those out. There it is, 13,395. Not much for wear. Seats, interior, looking good. slip around to the back. There's nothing crazy as far as the exhaust in this one. This one's a sleeper. This truck has a lot of torque, and you gotta remember, it's gonna hook up and go. Sure, you're looking at all-wheel drive. Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I gotta get this hood popped. We'll get that open, check out the engine bay, and as usual, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's gonna take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood and engine bay. So you can see some things have been plumbed in here a little differently than stock. Some of the modifications I was talking about, and again, check out the description, we'll get them listed there. A lot easier than me trying to recite them all and remember them all. 1991 GMC Syclone, clean Carfax, actual miles. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very special 1991 GMC Syclone pickup truck. The pickup truck that was faster than sports cars. It is an all-wheel drive, turbocharged pickup truck. And it doesn't disappoint. Let's get a little speed going. And you're quickly up to speed. You just hear the whoosh of the power adder shoving the air down the engine. This is an automatic, so all you do is put it in gear and hit the throttle. A very fun truck to drive. It is refined. It's quiet. It doesn't jerk you around with that power. It is refined. It's fun to drive. If you want things like air conditioning that blows cold, cruise control, stereo that works,
Classic rock.
in the fastest truck of its era, the fastest thing of its era, maybe. Take a look at the research. This is your truck. Our fuel gauge is reading almost full. Now the oil pressure does not read on the stock gauge. The battery is charging over half. The temperature is almost a quarter of the way up the gauge. Tachometer working, turbo gauge working. We've got air fuel ratio meters. A lot of adjustable performance adders. Really corners a lot like a stock truck does. But for the ground effects, you could really surprise some people when they see your little S10 wasting Corvettes. This is a nice, fun truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1991 GMC Syclone with low miles on it at uniqueclassiccars.com.